Well, you viewers of Name Later, how we doing today? I know, look at this massive big box from Gerber. I'll be honest, I kind of like these a lot more than I do the clamshell packaging. And oh yeah, that's just your warranty info inside the box, okay? Today we're going to take a look at the third part of the Gerber Downwind series, and this is my first ever Ulu. Now, Ulus have been around for a very, very long time, and they are a great tool for hunters to help with skinning game. It's just the way the blade's made is perfect for it. They've been around for thousands of years. And that's another reason why I like the topographic map boxes. They give you a little saying right there. So I think that's really, really cool every single time Gerber does that. Okay, so here is the blade. I know it has a really uniquely weird design to it. Now, I had to do a lot of research on Ulus, because like I said, I've never ever used one, and most of them are, matter of fact, all of them are curved just like this, but your hand is kind of right there to give you that, like, extension of your fist. This one is more of, if you want to call it that way, it's a pistol grip, you know, to get you in there a little bit more. Now, I'd never taken a look at an Ulu because I really never had a need for one, but a really, really good supporter of the channel and someone who's become a pretty close friend, Will asked me to take a look at this Downwind series. So if you're going to take a look at two of them like we already have, and take a look right up there, there's going to be a card for our gear review playlist. Both of the others in the Downwind series are in there. You got to look at the third. Now, I did go with the olive color, and the one thing I love about the Downwind series is Gerber is paying respect to very, very traditional aesthetics with a severe modern twist to it. So they're paying homage to old-time gear with a modern-day take. I gotta tell you, it feels good in my hand. I'm just like, alright, it's kind of weird. But seeing how I just got one, never had one, let's get into the fun stuff like we usually do. Now, it's got an overall length of about 6.50 inches. And I was thinking, are you going from there to there when you do that length? Because, like, from there to there is different from, like, there to there. And so I figured they went there to there. That's just me, okay? The blade's a big sweeping 3.50. And I'm thinking they're doing basically from here to around there. Because the cutting edge on this thing is 4.875. I know, you're going, it's like a whole nother inch. Yeah, so they had to go from there all the way around, and I'm not even sure where they took their blade measurements. But still, the handle is a flat 3, and it comes in at a very, very minor weight of 5.04 ounces. We do have a flat grind with a plain edge, as you can see right there. Now, this is what kills me. On Blade HQ, they call this a satin wash finish. Excuse me, a satin finish. Nope, that's stone wash. Alright, that's flat out stonewash. I know with the lighting system, sorry, hopefully you guys can see that. There. That's not satin, that's stonewash. Okay. In the blade steel, it actually surprised me because I expected them to go with a lesser one. I know it's going to cause some anger with some people, but hey, 7CR 17 MOV. It'll take an edge, it'll keep an edge for a little while, and you're going to have to resharpen it quite frequently, but that's part of the fun of owning a blade, right? Getting in that quality time on a stone. At least it is for me. There's something very, very calming and very soothing about sharpening a blade to me. It like clears my brain and lets me do other things, no problem. Now, I do like the way they have on the handle itself. You've basically got two different parts. You have black G10 scales, which are multi-layered, and I like how they have that stack effect going on in there. It's really, really smooth, so you're not feeling ridges all the way up. And the olive green is glass-reinforced nylon overmold. You can get it in green or black. So I thought that was cool. Now, you can do a left-hand, right-hand carry of this thing on your belt. We do have a lanyard hole. And I do like the sheath, which, as a matter of fact, is one of the huge reasons why I really wanted this series. It's waxed canvas sheathing, paying respects to really, really old times. And yeah, you got a little bit of heavy plastic in there to help it not tear through the wax canvas. I do like the Velcro with the snap closure, so it makes for a pretty secure closing. The only thing I really wasn't overly fond of, I liked how they had it on the other two with like danglers. This one is really tight in there for a belt carry, So you can carry it with the handle up or the handle down, however you want to do it. I would have gone with maybe another dangler on this one, but that's just me. And yes, like most things with Gerber, it is made in China. Alright, so we're going to do some cut tests here. So because I don't have any game to skin, we're just going to go with our standard 3, okay? And why am I going to do these 3? We'll take a look right up there. There's a card for why I do these cut tests. This one I can see having a little bit of fun with, heavy-duty stock paper. So let's see what we can get going. Gerber right out of the box, that's kind of unheard of to me. That, there's no tearing, there's no pushing. Wow. Okay, let's see if I can get a curly Q. I'm kind of curious. I'll take that. But look right up there on the front. See how it really looped back in on itself? I will take that. That's almost wow for a Gerber and anything I've ever done in almost 6 years of doing YouTube. I think it's some of the smoothest cuts I've ever got factory fresh on a blade. Okay. Well, there's a little bit of snowfall right up here. A little bit. Alright, now I'm kind of curious on this one. The River's Revenge. Son of a... Okay. Bill, are you as shocked as I am? Let's go with a slice. Okay, well... That's really clean to me, how it cut through. I get paracord's going to get a little raggedy, but yeah, wow. And alright, our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap. Yes, we have a brand new one that we are going to start tormenting. I know. Get a hold of your local congressman, see if you can get an injunction, but until that point... it's probably because I couldn't get a full one in there. Alright, let's do this a little differently. Mr. Ratchet Strap had to have fun today. Yep, right through. Okay, as we usually do, let's take a look for any problem areas. I do see some fur from the ratchet strap up here, no biggie. A little bit of snowfall still. Did it just move, or was that paracord? Anywho. Okay, so no real issues with the blade that I can see. Now I did the homework and all the background info, all this wonderful stuff on 12/12/2021. It is currently 12/13. Well, excuse me. December 13th, 2021 when I'm shooting this video. I took a look on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. On Blade HQ, they've got it as listed as 55 with a line through it and coming soon as of 12/12. On Gerber, where I got mine, 55 bucks. The olive and the black, and yeah, that's our heater coming on, so sorry. The olive and the black are a flat 55 bucks. Now, this one I found on Amazon. Like the other two, I know when I shot the video, they weren't on Amazon, they appeared after. This one I found on Amazon, the black only, for 58 bucks, and it is Prime 1-day eligible. It has not been reviewed anywhere across the board. Seriously, Gerber, no reviews, Amazon, no reviews, and Blade HQ, of course you can't really do a review, it's coming soon. Alright, now we're at the best part of the video. Seriously, I love this part in every single video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. And yeah, I know you heard my phone go bing, so probably someone needs something important, but still. Okay, I also want to know, do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? For my first experience with an Ulu, I'm okay with it. I really am. I learned a lot about its history, learned a lot about Ulus, learned a lot about their usefulness, so I'm going to consider that a win for me. Now, if I made you laugh, made you cry, made you cringe, made you do anything during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and help the channel out. I really appreciate it, guys, because you never know what video may take off and hit it big, right? I doubt it's going to be this one, but you never ever know. Okay, now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're viewing this video. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment right down below. Let's see what we can do to implement that into a future video. Now, if you've done all that fun stuff, I know I'm asking a lot, but it's free. Take a look right down there. In a couple moments, you're going to see a big channel symbol pop up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. See? One click, easy access. After you've done that, please destroy the bell icon next to it, if you so choose. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up, well, somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, there we go. My quick tabletop look at the Gerber Downwind Ulu. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you in our next video.